Is that it?
Yes, speak very softly.
Okay, I think this is everyone. Today we're hiking through Tyrannosaurus Park to the feeding paddock. We'll follow the creek, past the waterfall, then continue north to the feeding paddock. Champsosaurus may look like a crocodile, but it belonged to a completely different group of semi-aquatic reptiles called choristidaires.
It's easy to overlook this little guy, but Thescelosaurus actually means marvelous lizard.
This Edmontosaurus can consume dozens of kilos of ferns every day. They are perfectly adapted to this lush redwood environment. Welcome to our Rex hook and pull station. It lets our Tyrannosaurus release that natural hunting drive in a safe way, and he just loves it. Controlled feeds like this help us study Tyrannosaurus feeding habits safely. It also gives him the exercise he needs to stay healthy. Securing the line. Line secured, ready to pull. Hook and pull set, ready to raise.
First time? Whew. Oh, you're in for a treat.
Everything about Tyrannosaurus was built for hunting. Powerful legs, crushing jaws, and senses tuned to detect movement. A full-grown Tyrannosaurus could bite with more force than any land animal we know of. He would regularly replace his teeth throughout his life, sometimes.
Come on in, folks. Watch your step.
Thank you, it's really coming down.
Make yourselves at home and enjoy the fire. This little fellow is a Didelphodon. He's a relative of today's marsupials. Notice how carefully he explores the log.
Is that it?
Yes, speak very softly.
Wow, look at it!
Next stop, Canopy Station.
With the second section of the reserve map now unlocked, we've officially completed our second park. Thank you for joining us today inside Tyrannosaurus Park, from the trails beneath the redwoods to taking part in our T.rex feeding operation. But our journey through the reserve is only beginning. There are still 8 locations waiting to be unlocked.
If you enjoyed today's adventure and want to support the park, consider becoming a member, and make sure you subscribe before you leave.